Hello my friends, welcome again. So here I have opened the app.vue of our application, Vue application, and here is the browser. So we import the logo, we add the logo here with image and inside the assets logo PNG, and we import the hello world component defined here. Okay, I'm going to remove all of that. And now we're going to start from scratch, remove the style. And I'm going to add an h1, just an h1, an empty h1, and now we have nothing here. I'm going to add the data here, and in Vue.js we add the data which hold the function which return an object, and here we can add the, for example, I'm going to add the title here, and this is going to be a string. This is the title, and if I want to display the title now in the HTML, we can just add two curly braces and add the title here. Okay, hit save, and yeah, here is our title. Now if we want to have a list here, an array, for example, I'm going to add the items, and it's going to be an array. Item, sorry, this is item number 1, and copy and paste this. Number 2, number 3, and number 4, and now we can display the array with a paragraph here, and we can display an array with a helper of Vue directives, and here you see we have a Vue directive Vue v dash and bind clock else if v4. We are going to use v4 for the display the list, and here we're looping off for all the items. So v4 item in items, and we display the item here. Okay, but we need here, because we see we have an error, we need to add to bind the key. Okay, and the key is need to be unique, so we bind key, and it's going to be, sorry, and it's going to be an, this is a shorthand for the vbind. Okay, this one, and this is going to be item for now, just to show you. And here is our list. This is item number 1, item number 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is better if we have an ID here. For example, if we have the data, these items from the database, we can add the ID here, but for now we have only that. I'm going to change this and make it here an object, and I'm going to add an ID 1 for this, and name or title, and pass it here, and copy this and paste for change this to 2, 3 and 4. And now if I save, you see here we have an object, because we need to make and change here item.id for the key and item.title for the title. And now we display the title here, and the key is unique for each of the items. And of course we can display the ID here. So if I add the ID and item.id, we have the ID 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I want to show you how the true data binding with a Vue.js, and I'm going to add here an input, a type text, and close this one. We have an input here. Now I want, when we right here, I want to update the title here, and we can do this very easy with the help of a V model. And we add the title here. So V model for the title here, and it's going to look for the changes in the input and also update immediately the title here. So if I save the title here, so if I save, I see here we have this is the title, we have what we have here, and if I make a change here, refresh, sorry, and I remove this one, save, and we don't have a title now. If I type something, okay, this is for this video. Hope you enjoy, and see you in the next one. In the next video I'm going to create items and remove items from the browser. Okay, all the best, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.